Applying global resources and personalization in language entrepreneurship. While reading C.K. Prahalad's work, the concept of N equals 1 stood out to me. This theory highlights how the world has shifted toward offering unique experiences to each individual client. In other words, N becomes 1, emphasizing that every client deserves a personalized approach. This trend is revolutionizing industries, including translation, where personalization is increasingly important. Equally significant is Prahalad's idea of R equals G, where R stands for resources and G stands for global. This means resources once limited to local availability are now accessible on a global scale. We no longer need to own all resources ourselves. Instead, we simply need access to them at a manageable cost. Translators as global citizens. By embracing N equals 1 and R equals G, we as translators can become global citizens. With access to IT platforms, global networks, and the right resources, we are already well positioned to operate on a worldwide stage. The only key element left is client acquisition, a crucial topic we previously explored in our session with Gianna from Greece, where we discussed personal branding as a powerful tool for reaching new clients. Key areas of focus, collaboration, and entrepreneurship development. To synchronize these ideas effectively, we must focus on 4 essential pillars. First, translators, networking, and collaboration platforms like Modlingua have already built a foundation for this by enabling you all to connect, share insights, and collaborate globally. Second, IT and entrepreneurship training. We have begun offering entrepreneurship development courses such as translation management designed to help translators gain business acumen and entrepreneurial skills. Third, entrepreneurship development centers. Establishing more centers is vital. We already have one through the PD Center, but we need more hubs to provide entrepreneurs with the support and resources they need to succeed. Fourth, collaborative platforms. Leveraging social media platforms like Facebook, Google+, Twitter, and LinkedIn will allow us to build bridges between translation professionals and clients, fostering a community of shared value and resources. It would be highly beneficial if the translation industry itself took more proactive steps toward establishing these initiatives. With efforts from platforms like Modlingua and your collaboration, I am confident that we will achieve this goal. Final steps for entrepreneurs. Setting up a business. For those of you looking to establish your own companies, here are some key steps to follow. First, register a domain name. Before deciding on a business name, secure a domain name that reflects your brand. Second, create a website. A strong online presence is essential. Build a website that showcases your services and allows potential clients to find you easily. Third, develop a database. Begin building a database of potential clients and translators to streamline your workflow. Fourth, plan marketing strategies. Use push and pull marketing techniques, which I've discussed in previous lectures, and combine social media with email marketing to increase your reach. Fifth, launch a vigorous campaign. Once your business is established, promote it through every available channel, from social media posts to blogging and broadcasting. Explore every option to maximize visibility. Finally, start small and scale. Gradually begin with minimal investments. As your business gains traction, reinvest your profits into building a team and scaling up operations. Collaboration is key to success. Throughout this journey, one thing remains constant: collaboration. Whether it's networking with other translators, partnering with clients, or expanding your reach through global platforms, collaboration will be crucial to your growth. By working together, we not only create jobs for ourselves, but also contribute to the economic development of our society and country. I extend my heartfelt thanks to all of you for your collaboration and engagement in this journey. If you're ready to connect with me, feel free to reach out through Modlingua's platforms. Together, we can continue building a bright future for language professionals worldwide. Don't forget to subscribe to Modlingua channel.